Let's start with a quick review of Session 1, where we used a razor to carve and chisel a new design line. In Session 2, we transformed her hair color to this beautiful dimensional, warm blonde hair color. We used 4 formulas and it took us 6 hours to achieve this hair color. Now, this client is a natural hair color level 1 to 2. She is 30 to 80% gray. Her hair diameter is fine, and her hair density is medium throughout, except right in the front fringe, it's thinning. One of the main reasons we use bleach to add highlights is to give her hair more volume and body. You see, when you bleach the hair, it causes the hair strands to swell and it makes the hair fuller. It's a pro tip when you want to add volume and body to fine and thin hair. Throw some highlights in there. Now, you don't want to use just any old kind of bleach to create the highlights on fine hair. You can go to our platform and you can buy the bleach, the developers, the bond protectors, the bond builders, all the things you need to create this beautiful dimensional blonde hair color. You can buy all of the ingredients on our beauty platform. You can also watch and learn the full video of warm blondes on dark textured hair on our platform. Just go to beautywellnesshaircare.com/buy hair videos. In the full video, we detail the mixing of the various formulas. We detail the application techniques. We detail the timing. We go deep into the brands and why we've chosen the specific products that we're using. What we're doing right here in the back mid section is we're applying hair color toner formula number 2. We've already laid the highlights in with the bleach, and now we're toning the highlights to give us the dimensional warm blonde hair color that you see right here. This hair color is so yummy. It is golden and icy and caramel and dimensional and healthy, all at the same time. And it's not easy to achieve that on natural hair color levels 5 and below. Okay, we're dealing with the eumelanin, and eumelanin is super concentrated in the cortex layer. And to get there, we have to go in with a high-level lift and a high-level developer and lots of bond builders and collagen and nourishing lipid serums to keep the hair strong, supple, and healthy. You know what they say, the proof is in the pudding. Well, baby, look at this pudding. It is sweet, it is creamy, and it is rich. There are a million different tones of blonde hair color. And for melanated sisters, there are beautiful blondes that will enhance and warm or cool or spice up the look. When you're ready to level up your hair color game on textured hair, come visit us. We got you covered. beautywellnesshaircare.com/buy hair videos. It's just that easy.